What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel once again. I've got some more KTM news for you today. If this dog would just stop barking. Any of you off-road fans will know the Erzbergrodeo is about to start here in 2 days. It's June 18th and 19th. One of the more iconic kind of hard enduro off-road races that we get to watch all year long. So we kind of expect KTM's special edition 300 XCW Erzberg to drop around that time, and it did this morning. I'm always excited about this every year because it's absolutely sick. If you're not familiar with it, it's basically a special edition 300 XCW loaded down with power parts and a custom set of graphics. The last few years it's been like an orange and gold scheme, but this year, guys, if you guys watch this channel for a while, you know I love the gray color scheme, and they nailed it this year. So the frame is orange, there's tons of orange, but the plastics are gray. Got the Erzberg logo on the side. The whole rear fender is gray underneath, which I've been wanting some manufacturer to do for a long time. Really super pumped about this one. So it's they're pretty sweet bikes, guys. They come in at $12,649. But you get a ton of bling on these things. I'm going to give you the rundown. These bikes are already on the KTM website, but they don't, for some reason, they don't really list the power parts that are on the bike on the website. But I'm going to list off to you what was on last year's model that we did a walk around on. So you get the special Red Bull Erzbergrodeo graphics. You get the frame finishing coated in racing orange, the factory wheels with the orange anodized hubs, closed heavy-duty handguards, radiator fan and radiator protectors, CNC machine triple clamps, factory seat and lightweight skid plate, chain guide bracket protection, a Super Sprox stealth rear sprocket, clutch slave cylinder protection, and an orange oil plug, front and rear pull straps, front brake disc guard, solid rear disc and disc guard, rear brake safety wire, and the map selector switch, guys. So you know, a lot of guys like the XC. The XCW is actually my favorite off-road bike, especially for the slower single track or hard enduro. You get the PDS setup, you don't have the linkage hanging down to hit on rocks, you get a little more clearance, one less thing to service. So that's why they do the Erzbergrodeo edition in the XCW. So man, I cannot wait to get one of these in and do a walk around video of it. It's going to be absolutely sick. If I could pick one single track bike that I would just love to ride and sit in my garage and look at, it would be this model for sure. So yeah, guys, we'll as soon as we get it in, I'll do a walk around for you. So don't forget, this video is sponsored by AOMC, so you can click the link down below, grab your dirt bike parts from AOMC, not just KTM, but parts for just about any bike, and you can support this channel at no extra cost to you. Appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next video.